I have been freelancing for over 2 years and have scaled to thousands of dollars in revenue. But there are 10 tools which have made my journey so much easier. And if you are learning a skill or trying to make money online, then keep watching as I reveal these 10 amazing tools. Number 1. Google Docs. So what can you use it for? Pretty much anything you want to write down. So I personally use it for taking notes, making audits and reports. And even the script for this video was made on Google Docs. You can even collab with other people on the same document and multiple people can work on it at the same time. Now question is how to use it. So if you have used Microsoft Word, then this will be a piece of cake for you. Plus, you can add comments and even share the document with other people through a link. Check out this reel where I have shared everything step by step. And the best part, it's free to use. Number 2 is Canva. So if you are a video editor or graphic designer, then this is a must-have tool. Canva is very simple to use and it gives you a library of stock images and videos and design elements to help you design anything you want. Plus, it has some amazing templates so you don't have to start designing from scratch. To use it, you can visit the Canva website or you can also download the Canva app on your phone. Canva also has a paid plan, but the free plan is quite useful as well. Number 3. Calendly. So Calendly is an amazing tool which helps you book appointments with international clients. So there is no more hassle or confusion about different time zones. All you have to do is sign up on the platform and enter the details of your appointment, such as what the appointment is about and your time availability. Then you can share the link with your prospect or client who can then book an appointment with you after filling some basic details and choosing a time slot as specified by you. Calendly has a paid plan, but trust me, the free plan is good enough. Number 4 is Loom. So it is a life-saving tool for us. You know, I'm often stuck in situations where I have to make a tutorial or maybe make a walkthrough for my teammates. Now I can obviously record my screen and upload the video and send it to them, but it's time consuming. Loom helps you record your screen along with your face if you want, and it saves the video directly to their server. So all you have to do is share the link of that video to your teammate or client. To use Loom, you can sign up on their website or you can download their web application as well. It has a free plan which allows you to record videos up to 5 minutes, which is good enough. But you can also buy the paid plan if you need more time. This tool is really useful when you want to explain something to your client or teammate and you want to show your screen and explain it on the go rather than writing a big email. Number 5 is PayPal. So PayPal is the big money tool. PayPal allows you to seamlessly accept international payments. The only downside, it cuts 5% of your money as transaction fee, and later on it also cuts 3 to 4% in terms of exchange rate, where you receive an exchange rate lower than the actual exchange rate. But you get fast payments within 2 to 3 days. So personally, PayPal is my number 1 platform for transactions because it is convenient and most clients are comfortable with it. Coming to how to use the platform. So you have to sign up on the PayPal website. Now I suggest you to sign up as a business account. For that, you need to show them a business. That is easy to do, to be honest, because you can sign up on the MSME website by Indian government where you can register yourself as a sole proprietorship, which is what freelancers should do. And you will get a certificate from them for free of cost. Now you can take that certificate and show it as proof of business in PayPal. That will be enough to make a PayPal business account. Coming to the cost, the tool is free to use, but like I said, you have to pay 7 to 8% of your money as the transaction fees. Number 6 is Zoom. So Zoom is a popular platform for having live meetings. I really hated Zoom in the beginning and felt that it was confusing to use. But trust me, it is pretty much convenient and easy to use if you want to have live meetings on the go. You can even record your meeting to watch it later. Coming to how to use it, you can download the app on your desktop or mobile and you are good to go. It might take you a few tries to get around the options like joining a meeting and sharing your screen, but it's a quick learning curve. Now, the cost of the platform, it is actually free to use up to 45 minutes of live meetings. So you're good to go using the free plan unless you want to shoot a very long podcast like I do sometimes. In that case, you have to upgrade to the paid plan. Number 7 is Grammarly, and it is a must-have tool no matter who you are. So Grammarly helps you correct those silly mistakes in your sentences, and it verifies your tone, and it also helps you write shorter and crispier sentences. Coming to how to use it. So you can simply sign up on their website and start using Grammarly, or you can also use the Grammarly Chrome extension, which you can use while writing emails inside Gmail or Google Docs. This is quite useful because it has saved me from making silly mistakes while writing emails to clients. Now coming to the cost of the software, it has a free plan which covers 80% of the features. The paid plan is slightly better and has a little bit more features. Number 8 is Gemini. Gemini is an awesome ChatGPT alternative which is useful in multiple ways. So previously it was known as Bard, and it has a lot of use cases. For example, you can summarize YouTube videos with it, you can generate images, you can also cross-check your answers with Gemini or brainstorm ideas. To use Gemini, you have to access its website and sign up on the platform. You have to enter your prompt and you are ready to get started. So I personally use Gemini for day-to-day tasks. For example, last week I was using it to create a terms and conditions document for my clients, and the results were pretty impressive. Coming to the cost, so Gemini has a free version which is enough for you to get started. Number 9 is Hunter.io. So Hunter.io is a life-saving tool if you're trying to find leads. You can easily find email IDs from any website and verify if your emails will be delivered. This saves so much time because you don't have to manually go to a website to find a person's email ID you want to reach out. Coming to how to use it, so this tool is pretty easy to use and all you have to do is paste the website and you get the results instantly. Coming to the cost, the tool has a free plan, but it is advisable to upgrade to the paid plan if you want more features like bulk email checking. Number 10, so the last tool of this video is Mailtrack, which is an amazing option if you are involved in email sending or email marketing campaigns. This tool literally tells you if the other person has opened your emails or not, and if yes, then how many times they have read it. You can watch the tutorial of Mailtrack in my recent video and sign up on the platform to get started. This makes your Gmail just like WhatsApp, where you get a blue tick when your message has been seen. In this case, you will get a green tick if your email has been seen. Coming to the cost, so there is a free plan of Mailtrack which you can use, but it attaches a note that you are using Mailtrack to track emails, so the other person will know it. In the paid plan, it will hide that note, so no one will know that you are tracking the email except you.